On this platform that I want to show you today, $3.8 million has been paid out to users in 2023. $12 daily has been an estimate revenue made by the users of this particular app, and 4 million people has made a side hustle income from just using this platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 platforms that you can use to make money as a side hustle. And as you can see here on this platform, this first one I'm about to show you is a platform that makes you make surveys and also share your internet connection, play games, and you'll be able to make money. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejoba, and the name of this YouTube channel is Campus Hustle, where we are dedicated to help you make money online as a total beginner in Nigeria. So in today's video, I will take you through 3 apps in which you can download and you'll be able to make money online in Nigeria. And if you love this kind of content, make sure you click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. And on the first on the list, as you can see here, just like I showed you from the beginning of this video, how much has been paid out to people in 2023, the total revenue for 2024 that has been paid out has not yet been given because 2024 is still in the process. So for you to be able to get this first platform, the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, or any browser of your choice, and dial in this keyword known as pawnsapp. With a URL of pawnsapp, we can go to your browser and put the URL of pawnsapp, and this platform will come out and you will get to know more about this platform. As you can see here, this app is available on Google Play Store and also available on the App Store with a total of 4 million downloads, 150,000 reviews with a 4.6 stars rating on Trustpilot. So I'm going to show you how you can earn money on this platform. After you have signed up on this platform, the first way you can use to make money on this platform is to play games and earn money. You can discover new mobile games, complete in-game tasks, and earn real cash. This means that instead of you to play games for free, you'll be playing game, something you do for relaxation, you'll be playing game, and you will still be paid for playing games, things that you love. As you can see, you can make up to $1 to $100 just by playing games and doing what you love. The second method you can earn money on this platform is by taking surveys. As you can see, it says earn cash by taking surveys and sharing your opinions on various topics straight from your phone. The data collected contributes to the productive development of various businesses. So you make surveys which should be used for advertisers to target their ads creative. As you can see, you can make up to $1.10 based on the survey, or $0.2 based on the survey, and even up to $3.58 based on the survey. You can cash out your money from PayPal, Bitcoin, Google Play gift card, eBay gift card, Amazon gift card, and 70 others gift cards. So any gift card that you can think of, then this platform will be able to give it to you as your payment method. There's another easiest way of making money on this platform is that you can share your internet data, your unused internet data, and you will also make money on this platform. So you can check it out on your browser. This platform is known as pawnsapp. So you just have to go there, you sign up on this platform, or you can scroll down. As you can see here, you can see earn more, can go on and read more about this platform. And another way you can also make money from this platform is through your referral link. You can share this your referral link to your friends, and your friends will be able to sign up, and you will make $3 per referral on this platform. So as you can see here, you can come on this platform, you can get to know more about them, and you can also download the mobile app, and you will be able to get more information about this platform known as pawnsapp. So we'll be heading on directly to the second platform where you can use to make passive income as a Nigeria in 2024. So the second on the list is known as Repocket. Repocket is a platform that helps you turn your unused internet into cash. That means your unused data. Normally, some of us that used to buy data, you buy data, and before you know, the data will just finish. This platform is a platform that helps you turn that your unused data into cash. Imagine losing your data. You buy 40 MB and you will not be able to use the 40 MB, and when it gets expired, someone is paying you. So this platform has over 1 million users who are earning daily, and when you sign up on this platform, you will get a $5 sign up bonus, as you can see here on this platform. Go to any browser of your choice and put in this keyword known as repocket.com. That is a URL, repocket.com. Scroll down and you get more to know more about them. When you click on this get started, you sign up. As you can see, it says you create an account. After you create an account, the accounts can be used on multiple devices. That means if you are not currently without your phone, you can use your friend's phone to log in, and you'll be able to earn money on this platform. As you can see, it says because the internet should be working as hard as you do, we earn money effortlessly. Just sit back, relax, and watch your unused bandwidth turn into cash. You see, you can maximize our earning. As you can see, your privacy is also important. Now that you're sharing your data, it doesn't mean that when you share your data, your information will also be shared to the public. Your information is unique and only peculiar to you. Nobody has access to your information. What they just need is your unused data in connection. As you can see, you can also make money on this platform by inviting your friends, and you will make 50% or whatever your friend is making, or a percentage or whatever your friend is making. That means if your friend has earned up to 200,000 naira on this platform, you are sure of getting at least 20,000 naira from your friend's money as a percentage. So these are some of the features that will soon come to this platform. Just go to Google Play Store and search for the platform known as Repocket, or you can go to Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and get to repocketapp.com, and you get to know more about them, see how to earn more and how you can withdraw your money and how the referral program works about. But one thing about this platform is that the moment you sign up, you have a $5 sign up bonus. So let's hold on to the last platform on the list. Please, if you are watching this video to this very end, please make sure you click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share my video to your friends so that they can come here and also get value. So let's go on to the last platform on the list. So the last platform on the list is known as WinWork. So WinWork is a platform that pays you money to work. Imagine working. You're working to school, you're working to your office, you're working to your gym, and someone is just paying you money to work. So what you just have to do is to go and download this app on Google Play Store. Unfortunately, this app is only available on Google Play Store and not available on the iOS or the Apple Store, as you can see here. So this app is an app that pays you money, just like an alternative or Sweatcoin. In my subsequent video, I'm going to drop platforms that get you paid for just working. So it's just like Sweatcoin, where you every coins or every step you work will give you a coin, as you can see, and this coin can be converted into cash. As you can see, you can cash out your money from Amazon gift card, you can cash out your money from Google Play Store, from Uber Ride, and a lot of platforms that support their payment method. As you see, it says WinWork is the ultimate step tracker app that revolutionizes the way you work, transforming every step into a rewarding journey. So this platform is a healthy platform that rewards you with cash just by being able to work and do your work to anywhere you want to work to, and this platform will pay you. So the first platform that we check out was known as pawnsapp. The second one is known as repocket.com, and the third on the list is known as WinWork. These are platforms that you can use to start earning money as a side hustle in Nigeria in 2024. If you love this video, please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can come here and continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that I can also grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you.